Hello, my name is Christiana, and I will be demoing my database web app for you guys today. The first thing that you're going to want to do as soon as you log into your computer is go ahead and find your favorite web browser. I have Safari and Firefox on my computer, although I will be using Firefox today. And just in case you're wondering, since this is the first thing that you see when you open my video, these are my siblings right here. This is me. I do have 5 older siblings. Yes, I know that is a lot, but it is so much fun having a big family. Alright, moving on. Go ahead and open up that web browser. In the search or enter address, you're going to want to enter the URL of my video. So I will also leave this in the comments box because I know sometimes having to type it in by hand is annoying, just so that you guys can go ahead and access it a lot easier, alright? It is going to be www.ultimateworkoutvideos.com/final-space-project/homepage.aspx. It is very important that you do put this space in final project and that you capitalize all the needed letters, because if not, it will of course take you to the wrong page. Alright, go ahead and hit enter. And this is my database web app. For fictional purposes, I have named it New Mexico Gym Incorporated. It is an athlete information system. It does not necessarily have to be used for gyms. It can be used for just about anything involving athletes. This could be, of course, gyms, which is I've used it for if they have many different locations around the city and they need to keep all of their athletes in one system. This would be the best way to do this. Say that personal trainers need to keep track of their clients or coaches need to keep track of their athletes. This would also be a great way to do this. Now, if somebody were coming to this page and they were wanting to enter a new athlete, they will want to first click on this first page. I do have 4 pages. The first one is enter athlete information, view all athlete information, update, and delete. So let's go ahead and click on this first one. And it will take you to the Enter Athlete Information page. The requirements of this are to enter the athlete's first name, last name, location, and workout. So for testing purposes, I'm just going to make up a fake person just so that we can see how this works, okay? So let's say that their first name is Taylor and their last name is Jackson. Okay? Alright, and their location, we'll say that it is on the north side, and they are working out arms. Okay, so as you can see, I have filled in all of the needed boxes. Now, if somebody were to come to this page and say that they forgot to enter the gym location, or they forgot to enter the last name, errors will pull up on this and say that a last name is required, a location is required, so that if somebody were to try to hit insert, it would pull up these errors, alright? The same goes for the first name and the workout. It will tell you that all of these are required, okay? And it will not let you move on until you have filled in all of these boxes. Now, let's say for some reason they try to put numbers in here. I don't really know why somebody would do that for the first and last name, but just so that you guys can see it, I'm going to put in numbers, okay? So say I put that in, and I try to hit insert, it will pull up these errors, right? And they are also listed here. They are in bright red, so they are definitely not hard to miss, okay? And same thing if I were to leave some blank and try to hit insert. Same thing, first name is required, last name, and it pulls up all of these, okay? So let's re-enter all of this. Taylor, we said Jackson, and we said arms. Okay, so now that I've entered all of this, we can go ahead and click insert, and it will take you to the all athlete information page where it shows all of the athletes in the system. And here's our made up person with all of the needed information, okay? So I would just like to say that this one is probably my favorite, and it's very funny because this one was one that Mason had tested, and when I saw it, it definitely made me laugh. All right, so as soon as you have seen all of the athletes in here and seen that the athlete that you have entered is in there and is correct, you can go ahead and scroll down, click home. Now that home page, or I'm sorry, that home button is on all of these pages. So if you had clicked on update when you had meant to click on view all, of course you can scroll down and find that home page and it will take you right back to this page right here, okay? All right, so let's say that Taylor has gone to a different gym and she's on a different workout plan. If we need to update her information, the user will want to click on this Update Athlete Information page, right? And once again, it shows all of the athletes in the system. So it tells you to click an ID to update. In this instance, we want to click on Taylor. And let's say that Taylor is now going to the gym on the west side, and she is now on doing a cardio-based workout, okay? So we can, of course, enter all of that in there. Now, the same thing for this Update Athlete Information page goes for the same as the Enter Athlete Information page, in the aspect that if you were to leave any of these blank or accidentally put in numbers and try to hit update, it will pull up those errors that we did see on the Enter Athlete Information page. Same exact errors, of course, in bright red, so they are not hard to miss. All right, so let's go back and enter her updated information now that I've shown you that. Oops. And we said that she was now doing cardio. Okay, so once you have entered all of that, go ahead and click update. And as you can see, Taylor, our fake athlete, has been updated with the information that we just entered, okay? She's now in the West Gym doing cardio. All right, so as you can see, as soon as I updated her, it did bring me back to this all athlete information page, which shows me all of the athletes in the system, all right, so that we can properly see that what we have entered did indeed update. All right, so scroll down, find that home page again. So let's say that Taylor actually moved to a different state, or let's say that Taylor was an athlete in high school and she graduated and her coach needed to delete her information. There is a page for that, of course. You're going to want to find the Delete Athlete Information page. Go ahead and click on that. And once again, shows all of the athletes in the system. So for testing purposes, like I said, we'll just stick with Taylor and we'll say that she had moved away. Okay? It tells you to click an ID to delete. It is very simple. All you do is click on their number and it brings you right back again to this all athlete information page. As you can see, Taylor is no longer in the system, okay? So pretty much all of these pages will, if you're updating or entering or deleting somebody, it will bring you back to this all athlete information page so that you can have a good look at what athletes are in the system now, what the ones that you have entered are in there as, and you can make sure that all the information is correct, or you can go ahead and check on it if you need to see what Tyler did yesterday at the gym or what gym he was at. Okay, so go ahead and click home. And as I said, this view all athlete information page is what we were just on. It does have its own link if a user needs to come in real quick and say, oh, Mason or Christiana was at the North Gym the other day and she did legs. They can come to this, find it really quick and easy. All right, so let's go back home. And that is my database web app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.